morning. My name is Jivtesh. I am studying in 7th class from Vignan Jyoti Public School. Today I am going to show one experiment on indicators. You are thinking that what are indicators? Indicators are substances which are used to know whether any substances are acidic or basic in nature with the help of color change in them. The things needed are Sprite, baking soda, Harpic, and detergent powder solution, citric acid solution, and powdered lime solution. As baking soda and powdered lime and citric acid are in solid form, I am doing them into liquid form by adding little bit of water in them. I made solutions: citric acid dissolved in water, Sprite, powdered lime dissolved in water, and baking soda in water. First, we have to pour some Sprite in one bowl. Okay, now on all our solutions. Now, there are two types of indicators: red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. These are natural only, and I made turmeric paper in my home. The blue litmus paper says whether a substance is acid or not, and red litmus paper says that whether any substance is base or not. And with the turmeric paper also we can know that whether substances are acidic or basic. Now I am going to show with an experiment. First, now I am taking 6 pieces of blue litmus papers. Now I am dipping this blue litmus paper in all the solutions, which are Harpic solution, citric acid solution, Sprite solution, baking soda solution, powdered lime solution, and detergent powder solution. I have dropped one piece of paper in Harpic solution, in citric acid, and in Sprite, in detergent, powdered lime, and baking soda. Now I am taking with them the help of tongs, because acids can be corrosive. I am taking out them with tongs. You can see that it is blue litmus paper changed into red color, which means Harpic is an acid. Now I am taking out blue litmus paper from citric acid solution. You can see that it changed its color into red color, which means it is an acid. And I am taking out blue litmus paper from Sprite. You can see that this also changed into red color, which means Sprite solution is an acid. Now I have taken out blue litmus paper from detergent solution. You can see that no color change is there, which means it is not an acid. And when I remove it from powdered lime solution, you can see that no color change is observed, which means it is also not an acid. And when I take out blue litmus paper from baking soda solution, you can see that there is no color change, which means it is in baking soda solution also you can see that no color change is there, which means it is not an acid. So blue litmus is saying that Harpic, citric acid solution and Sprite are acids, and detergent solution, powdered lime solution and baking soda solution are not acid. Now take 3 red litmus papers and cut them in half. We will get 6 red litmus papers. Now keep each red litmus paper in each of the solution. Now from Harpic solution, I am removing red litmus paper. You can see that the red litmus paper doesn't change its color, which means this is not a base. And I am taking out red litmus paper from citric acid solution. You can see that color change is not observed, which means it is not base. And I am taking out now red litmus paper from Sprite. Here you cannot see any color change, which means it is not base. You can see that when we keep red litmus paper in detergent solution, it changed into blue color, which means this is an base. Now I am taking red litmus paper from powdered lime solution. You can see that red litmus paper changed into blue color, which means this is a base. And when I take red litmus paper from baking soda solution, the red litmus paper changed into blue color, which means this is an base. Now I am dipping this turmeric paper in each of these solutions. You can see that when turmeric paper is dipped in Harpic, you can see no color change, which means this is a acid. And when dipped in citric acid solution, it doesn't change any color, which means this is an acid. And turmeric paper placed in Sprite also doesn't change color, which means it is also an acid. When this turmeric paper is dipped in detergent powder solution, you can see that it changed to red color, which means this is a base. And when turmeric paper is dipped in powdered lime solution, you can see that it became into red color. And when it is dipped in baking soda solution, you can see that these 3 solutions changed the turmeric paper into somewhat reddish color, which means these 3 are bases and these 3 are acids. And now you saw that with the help of blue litmus paper and red litmus paper and turmeric paper, we saw that these solutions are acids and bases. You can do this in home also with available chemicals. So, in my solution, I concluded that Harpic, citric acid solution and Sprite solution are acids, detergent solution, powdered lime solution and baking soda are bases. You can also do this at home, and do not do these experiments with highly corrosive chemicals. Thank you.